Management of pregnant dogs and preparations for their labor. From our previous video, we have tackled about the stages of labor. We have learned also from our previous video that the pregnancy duration of dogs is 62 to 64 days, while the average gestation period is 60 to 65 days. It can be earlier or it can be late at 5 days. Please note that breeding dates and conception dates do not correlate closely enough to permit accurate prediction of whelping dates. This is the reason why may mga dogs na nanganganak ng earlier and may mga dogs din na nanganganak na medyo late. Though may tinatawag tayo na duration of pregnancy or average duration of pregnancy. So once confirmed na pregnant na yung dog natin, we need to know how to manage pregnant dogs and ano ang mga dapat gawin at i-prepare kapag malapit na silang manganak. After breeding or after mating, if successful yung ating breeding, implantation of zygotes in the uterus occurs at 18 days. What are the signs of pregnancy in dogs? So usually there's decrease in activity, changes in appetite, unusual behavior is also observed, enlarged or discolored nipples, weight gain and enlarged abdomen, and nesting behaviors. Let's talk about the signs one by one. So, decreased activity. If your dog is easily becomes exhausted or is spending more time napping, it may indicate that she is pregnant. But for dogs that are typically energetic, this decrease should be taken seriously and try paying closer attention with their behaviors. Changes in appetite. A pregnant dog's appetite can fluctuate in different ways, depending on the dog and the stage of her pregnancy. Early or midway in the pregnancy, she may eat less or even vomit occasionally. However, she may also eat more than usual and dissatisfied with her meals. These fluctuations with their appetite correspond with their changing hormones, and it's very normal. There are also unusual behaviors. If your dog is pregnant, you may notice certain changes in her behavior. For instance, she may seek the comfort of her owner more often. A pregnant dog might spend more time at your side, looking for extra attention. On the other hand, a pregnant dog may seek isolation and not wish to be bothered. She may seem depressed or even irritable when given attention. Enlarged or discolored nipples. While a female dog's nipples are normally small, pregnancy causes her nipples to grow in size during the early stages of pregnancy. The areolas also become somewhat rounded compared to their usual flatness. You may also notice that your dog nipples turning a slightly darker red than normal, which would indicate an increase in blood flow. Later into the pregnancy, her nipples may occasionally leak milk as well. Weight gain and enlarged abdomen. As the puppies grow, your dog's abdomen will expand in size. These can be one of the clearest indicators of a dog's pregnancy. Nesting behaviors. During the last few weeks of pregnancy, you may also notice your dogs begin to shred beddings and other available materials to create a nest. She may also become irritable and reclusive during this time. How to make pregnancy comfortable for your dogs. Number 1, keep her active and fit, and pay attention to her appetite and her comfort level. Number 2, if her expanding abdomen is making it harder for her to eat big meals, then try feeding her with smaller ones. Consider also switching to a more calorie-rich puppy formula in her last trimester. And call your veterinarians if your dog exhibits signs of nausea or stops eating. Number 3, give her comfortable place or beddings where she can sleep and rest. Number 4, please note any vaginal discharges. Occasional clear or white mucus discharge is normal. If you see discolored or bloody discharges instead, call your veterinarian. Lastly, if anything else concerns you about your dog's pregnancy, please contact your veterinarians. Let's talk about proper nutrition for pregnant dogs. One of the most important things you can do for your pregnant bitch is make sure she receives proper nutrition. If your pregnant dog is already on a good quality dog food and with healthy weight, then you won't have to make any changes to her diet for the first part of her pregnancy. But usually, when dogs become pregnant, there are vitamins and minerals that are needed to have a healthy puppies. Prenatal vitamins for dogs are the ideal way for moms to get that extra boost. Babies need vitamins for their growth and development. Lagi nating tatandaan, to have healthy puppies, dapat healthy din yung mga mommy dogs. So yung mga necessary vitamins, supplements, and yung proper nutrition ay kailangan ibigay sa mga mommy dogs. Kasi para din ito sa mga developing puppies. Before pregnancy, plan ahead. If you're planning to breed your female dog, it's important to assess her body condition well in advance of breeding. Because of the physical demands of pregnancy and nursing, a dog with less than ideal health can experience problems. Overweight dogs may experience abnormal or difficult labor because of large fetuses, while an underweight dog often has difficulty consuming enough food to support both her own nutritional needs and those of her developing puppies. Be sure to feed the proper amounts of a complete and balanced diet. This will support the mother's healthy weight and body condition before breeding and help maintain her health and that of her babies throughout pregnancy and lactation. The energy requirements of pregnant dogs are reflected in the pattern of weight gain. Pregnant dogs will need to consume 25% to 50% more than their normal food intake by the end of pregnancy. But energy requirements do not increase until about the 6th week. The best diet for pregnant and nursing dogs is a high-quality, nutrient-dense pet food, formulated for all life stages or for growth, although puppy diets are generally recommended for pregnant or nursing dogs. So tips lang during pregnancy or kung positive na pregnant na talaga yung mga mommy dogs natin, make it sure na mag-change yung diet nila into puppy dog food kasi kailangan nila yon. So sa 3rd trimester siya ginagawa, pero it can be earlier, like dun sa first signs pa lang ng pregnancy, if recommended ng inyong mga veterinarians. Pregnant dogs lose weight after giving birth, but their nutritional needs increase dramatically. Depending on the litter size, nursing dogs need 2 to 3 times their normal food requirements to nourish their puppies. So make it sure that your nursing mommy dogs has plenty of water so she can generate the milk volume she needs to feed the litter. So to help your nursing mommy dogs to get enough nutrition, you can try several tactics. So one is feed a nutrient-dense diet such as puppy food, and without increasing the amount of food offered at a meal, just increase the number of meals throughout the day. And you have the free choice to feed her, offering unlimited access to dry food throughout the day. By 4 to 5 weeks after birth, most puppies are showing an interest in their mother's food. Gradually, the puppies will begin eating more solid food and nursing less. At the same time, the nursing mother will usually begin eating less. Most puppies are completely weaned around age 7 to 8 weeks. By this time, the mother's energy requirements is back to normal and she should be eating her normal pre-pregnancy diet. Lastly, always remember that good nutrition sets the stage for successful breeding and pregnancy. What are the essential items that we need for the mommy dog's labor? Ahead of time, we should ready a whelping box. So, gaano kalaki dapat ang whelping box? Depende yun kung gaano kalaki si mommy dog. We'll be needing newspaper to line the whelping box during delivery for easy cleanup, dry clean towels to clean the puppies, unwaxed dental floss to tie off the umbilical cords, clean scissors to cut the umbilical cords. We also need whelping mats. You could use blankets or towels kasi dito natin ilalagay yung mga puppies habang si mommy dog ay nanganganak pa. Prepare for a heat lamp because newborn puppies cannot regulate their body temperature and these can help them to keep warm. Prepare alcohol to sanitize surroundings and also your hands, and disinfect the equipments that you'll be using like the scissors. Also, provide povidone iodine to use on the cut umbilical cords to keep the area as clean as possible. Always check the temperature of mommy dogs using a thermometer, especially kapag malapit na yung expected time of labor niya. Also, the normal temperature of a dog is 38.5 to 39.5. Yun yung average. Kapag nag-drop ito ng 36.5 to 37.5, ibig sabihin malapit na siyang manganak. Usually, ito din ang temperature niya sa duration ng labor niya. Always remember na kapag nag-drop na yung temperature from the normal or average normal temperature, ibig sabihin malapit ng manganak si mommy dog. Use gloves for each puppy to keep everything sanitized, and also a garbage bag para lahat ng mga ginamit or yung mga dumi doon na ilalagay. Keep the numbers of nearby animal clinics in cases of emergencies. In our next video, we will tackle about how to assist pregnant dogs in labor. In case you haven't watched yet, please watch the dog breeding cycle video that tackles about menstrual cycle, pregnancy, and labor of dogs. Please like, share, and subscribe. Salamat po. Thanks for watching.
2, 3.